This video I just wanted to speak about few points on the elbow replacement. Replacement means you are substituting something. That's what we all mean by replacement. You would have heard about the knee replacement, which is most often seen and performed, because a lot of patients have this problem of the knee arthritis, and other replacements are the hip. But I specialize as a hand surgeon and the upper limb surgeon. I specialize in managing the problems of the elbow and shoulder and wrist. So one such replacement is the elbow replacement, which is a very gratifying procedure because it's one of the most disabling. Imagine if your elbow is fused or painful, you can't move your elbow, you can't have food, you can't take care of your face because you can't bend. So that's where this elbow replacement helps, and especially it's more helpful in people, those who have rheumatoid arthritis or post-traumatic arthritis. So it solves two problems. One is it gives mobility, the other one it gives the pain relief as well. So elbow replacement is one such procedure which you can think if you tell you have a rheumatoid arthritis, because the success rates are a lot better in rheumatoid arthritis individuals. Thank you very much.